15 Facts About Coca-Cola That Will Blow Your Mind. Kim Barson, June 9, 2011, 10:27 p.m. Have you had your daily Coke product yet? Coke. Michael Newton on Flickr. Coca-Cola is everywhere. The iconic American brand is recognized instantly around the globe and sold in more than 200 countries. Additionally, there are thousands of subsidiary beverages that you might have no idea are owned by Coke. Despite 3 CEO changes since 2000, Coke has kept a firm lead in the U.S. carbonated drinks market, with 42.8% market share to Pepsi's 31.1%. Altogether, 1.7 billion servings of Coke products are consumed every day. 3.1% of all beverages consumed around the world are Coca-Cola products. Coke. Camel Anguskerk on Flickr. Of the 55 billion servings of all kinds of beverages drunk each day other than water, 1.7 billion are Coca-Cola trademarked, licensed drinks. Source: Coca-Cola 2011 SEC filings. Coca-Cola. Coke makes so many different beverages that if you drank one per day, it would take you over 9 years to try them all. Coca-Cola vending machine by Bob B. Brown on Flickr. Coca-Cola has a product portfolio of more than 3,500 beverages and 500 brands, spanning from sodas to energy drinks to soy-based drinks. Source: Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola's $35.1 billion in revenue makes it the 84th largest economy in the world, just ahead of Costa Rica. Coca-Cola Bank by Ilov. Coca-Cola on Flickr. Sources: Coca-Cola's 2010 SEC filings, CIA World Factbook. The Coca-Cola brand is worth an estimated $74 billion, more than Budweiser, Pepsi, Starbucks and Red Bull combined. Big Coca-Cola bottle by Permanently Scatterbrained on Flickr. The Coca-Cola brand is worth $74 billion, while Budweiser, Pepsi, Starbucks, and Red Bull combined are worth about $50 billion, according to the brand Z Top 100. Although Coca-Cola revenue was 38% less than PepsiCo's last year, Coke generated more in soft drink revenue, around $28 billion versus $12 billion. Coke gently off the edge on Flickr. Remember, Pepsi owns non-drink brands like Frito-Lays and Quaker Oats. Source: Bloomberg. If every drop of Coke ever produced were put in 8-ounce bottles and laid end to end, they would reach the moon and back over 2,000 times. Coca-Cola Bottling Factory by S1M0NB3RRY on Flickr. Source: Coca-Cola. If you stacked up Coke's 2.8 million vending machines, they would take up 150.2 million cubic feet of space, the size of 4 Empire State Buildings. Coca-Cola vending machines. App. Sources: Financial Times, Nova Recycling. The red and white Coca-Cola logo is recognized by 94% of the world's population. Coca-Cola logo by AnyJazz65 on Flickr. Coca-Cola has also reported that its name is the second most understood term in the world, behind OK. Source: Steel Media. There are 33 non-alcoholic brands that generate over $1 billion in revenue. Coca-Cola owns a whopping 15 of them. Coca-Cola brands. Coca-Cola. Source: Adage. Coca-Cola. Around the world, the average person consumes a Coke product every 4 days. Coke. Darcy on Flickr. Coca-Cola spends more money on advertising than Microsoft and Apple combined. Coca-Cola Happiness Factory by Rills949 on YouTube. Coca-Cola advertising budget 2010, $2.9 billion. Microsoft advertising budget 2010, $1.6 billion. Apple advertising budget 2010, $691 million. Americans ingest 1.7 million tons, or 10.8 pounds per person, of sugar each year from Coca-Cola alone. Coca-Cola Sugar. Sugarstacks.com. Americans drink an average of 399 servings of Coke products per year. 50% of these are Coke brands, and 63% of those are Coca-Cola Classic. That comes out to 125.7 Classic Coke servings per person. With 39 grams of sugar per serving, that means the average American consumes 4.9 kilograms per year, or 10.8 pounds. Multiply that by 307 million Americans and you get around 1.7 million tons of sugar. The average Mexican drinks more Coke products than the average American, British, Indian, and Chinese combined. Coca-Cola Mexico. Estadio Azteca vendor selling Coca-Cola in the Estadio Azteca in Mexico City by Ralph on Flickr. On average, Mexicans drink 665 servings of Coke products each year. Americans drink $3.99, British $2.02, Chinese $32, and Indian $9, which comes out to 642 servings. Source: Coca-Cola's 2009 per capita consumption study. Coke uses 300,000 tons of aluminium for its cans every year just for its U.S. operations. That's equal to 17.4% of what the entire U.S. aluminum industry produces. Coca-Cola cans by D6478 Coke, Seung on Flickr. Sources: Canmaker.com, USGS, Aluminium, Mineral Commodity Summary 2011. Coca-Cola sells more than 1,000 kinds of juice drinks, including Simply, Minute Maid, Fruitopia, High C, Fuse and Odwalla. Hannah Rosen on Flickr. Source: Guru Focus.